Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You're welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cut and sew this beautiful detail structured that is very easy to make. You can use it to beautify your dress or your top. Now, let's get into it. These are the stripes that I'm using for the tutorial today. I have 2 inches of each here, as you can see me doing. And so the first one is 34 inches in width, the second one is 28 inches, and the third one is 22 inches. To know the amount of fabric putting on fold for that, you have to measure it on your mannequin or on yourself by using your boning, just like this, just like I'm doing. Use your boning to measure it out, just like this. This is the first one of the stripe that I'm going to use for the structured detail today. So that is why I have 34 inches here. Now from here to here, so I deducted 6 inches from the first one to get the second one, while I deducted 6 inches as well from the second one to get the third one. So I'll move ahead by folding each into two like this, and stitch from here, from the first edge to the second edge with quarter of an inch. From here to here now with quarter of an inch. I'm doing the same thing on the second one, folding it into two like this, stitch from the first edge to the second edge with quarter of an inch. I'm doing the same thing on the third one. So let me move ahead to my machine and do that. I'm done stitching. As you can see, this is the 3 stripe that I said I'm using for the structured detail today. So I'll move ahead and turn these 3 stripe inside out. I'm done turning, as you can see. So I'll move ahead and insert my Regline boning to it. You can use your plastic boning if you don't have Regline boning, but it is better to use Regline boning because the needle can pass through it easily. So I'm passing through my Regline boning inside this 3 stripe of fabric. Now I'm done inserting my boning. As you can see, this is the first one, which is the longest one, the second one, and the third one. I'll go ahead and iron them. I'm done ironing them, as you can see. So this is the smallest one. I'm starting my tacking from the smallest one because I'm going to tack 3 together to form that structured detail we are talking about. And make sure you use matching thread for this. Just fold it like this and tack it very well to make it form the structured detail we are talking about. After tacking the first one, I'm going to add the second one, which is the middle one, just like this. I'm tacking it together again. After tacking the second one, I'm going to move ahead to the third one. Just make sure you secure it very well to make it form the structured detail we are talking about. I'm just trying to tack it very well. Now I'm moving ahead to the third one. Just make sure you tack it very well. though it's a little bit tricky, but you have to do it. You have to tack it very well to avoid it from losing. Can even tie it like this as well, just to make it firm very well. After tacking it very well, just tack it to wherever you want it to be on your top or on your dress, and use petals or trimmings to cover the place up like this. Here is where I'm stopping for today, guys. If my tutorial has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed.